There was a church in a small village. The priest of the church was a learned man. He was revered as a saint. There also lived in this village a girl named Liza. She was very fond of gossiping. She gossiped about her family, her relatives and neighbors. Her idle talk worried her parents. One day, they approached the priest of the church to seek his advice. The priest agreed to help them. The following day, he called Liza to the church. Giving her a pot filled with jujubes, he said,
"My dear girl, take this pot. I want you to go home and return to the church immediately. But you must drop each and every jujube on your way home and back here."
Liza followed the priest's instructions. On her way home and back to the church, she dropped all the jujubes from the pot. When Liza returned to the church, the priest patted her and praised her. Then he said,
"Now go home with this empty pot and return to the church again. But on your way home and back here, collect all the jujubes which you had dropped and scattered earlier."
Liza argued, "Father, I am prepared to do as you say."
But a few jujubes might have been trampled under the feet of people and buried under the soil. The sparrows also might have eaten some. How can I collect all the jujubes?
The priest said,
"You are right, my girl. You know that you cannot collect all the scattered jujubes. Similarly, you must understand that words once spoken cannot be taken back. Therefore, one should not speak without thinking. One must control one's tongue."
Liza understood what the priest wanted to convey to her. She realized her mistake. She resolved that she would never utter a word without thinking. She thanked the priest and went home. Liza then led a very happy life.